Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to delete your Twitter account or X account permanently. Let's begin with the tutorial. Open your X app. You come across this page, then tap on your profile icon or person icon on your top left corner. Tap on it. Then after, scroll little down, then there you can see settings and support. Tap on setting and privacy. There you can see the option of your account on first. Tap on it. At the last you can see, or at the fourth you can see deactivate account. Tap on it. Here you can see some guidelines are given there. At the bottom you can see the option of deactivate. Tap on it. Then enter your password. I have copied my password, I'll paste it. You should not log in back to your account until 30 days. Tap on deactivate, then tap on yes, deactivate. Thank you for watching this video. You can like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content.